What's up, YouTube? Con1272 here, back with another video. Alright, I finally got my battery in. Took a minute. I was trying to make sure I received the right battery. This is the new battery right here. I bought another gel battery. I'm gonna do a comparison because the last battery I had, I think it had 170 or 160 cold cranking amps. This is the battery I had. It may be 140 if I'm not mistaken, but this is a gel battery too as well. I had it 1 year. I put it on a battery tender, tried to crank it up this spring, and the battery was dead. I'm talking nothing. So this right here is the new battery I purchased right here. Now, I'm a small channel. I'm not even big or anything, but I'm not sponsored by these guys, but I'm just showing you guys what parts I'm using on my bike. And this right here is a 190 cold cranking amps. So I put it in, fits well. I ordered it through Amazon. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to replug everything back up, and then I'll give you guys a cold start when I crank this bad boy up. All right, hold on. Let me get these keys. See what we're looking like. Okay. Got the juice. Alright. Yeah, I'm all powered up back there. Yeah, like I said, my jigsaw, it is peaked and tuned. Set up for nitrous, although I'm not gonna use nitrous again. I brought my bike from a drag setup back to just a little street riding setup. So let me go ahead and try to get this thing started real quick. Well, I can't do it with one hand, so let me go ahead and start it up. Hold on. Oh yeah, got my baby started. Man, that battery turned over good too. I couldn't do it with two hands. I don't have nowhere to set the camera down. But yeah, we all cranked up now. So I'm gonna start doing a couple more videos on my bike. So right now I'm just gonna be quiet. Alright guys, got my baby running. I want to show y'all a little bit of the little light I got set up on it. Let me shut this garage door so y'all can see it in the dark. Whoa. More videos to come, guys. Let me shut her off because I got to do the oil change, check everything out. I should be out riding in a couple more days. Bet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Once again, like, subscribe, notification bell. Like, subscribe, notification bell. Appreciate you guys. Like I said, I'm trying to get all this content together. Like I told y'all, I'm new to YouTube, so I'm gonna try to bring all my little toys to the channel. All right. Y'all have a good one.